In this video, I'm exposing 5 hidden indicators that professional traders use to spot reversals, predict breakouts, and dodge losing trades. No lagging lines, no guesswork, just razor-sharp signals. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll walk away with profitable strategies worth thousands of dollars. Without further ado, open any chart on TradingView, head over to the indicators and type the name of the first tool, Percent Trend Change Indicator. Using John Ayler's ultimate smoother filter, this tool brings a new level of precision to detecting trend changes, giving you the edge to spot reversals and ride momentum like a pro. What makes this indicator truly special is how it visualizes percentage changes in real time. You can actually see the strength and sustainability of a trend unfold before your eyes. It maps out each move, showing you exactly how much the price has changed from the entry point, allowing you to gauge the trend's health without second guessing. I will teach you how to use this information in live market so that you profit almost every single time. The beauty of the percent trend change indicator lies in its simplicity and flexibility. It marks trend entry points with up and down triangles, clearly showing where the trend started. Each triangle is labelled with the entry price, making it effortless to track your positions. As the trend progresses, percentage change labels pop up at regular intervals, giving you an ongoing update of how much the price has moved. This isn't just about numbers on a screen, it's about giving you a real sense of direction and momentum. In an uptrend, positive changes are marked in green. In a downtrend, negative moves appear in red, and the occasional positive bounce is shown in orange. The indicator doesn't just tell you where the market's been, it shows you where it's going. The smooth channel bands adapt dynamically, making it easy to see trend strength and potential reversal zones. Here's a strategy with this indicator that's proven to be highly profitable over time. It cancels low-quality signals, leaving only the most powerful ones. Currently, I am viewing the Solana price on the 1-hour time frame. The indicator settings are default. The conditions for a long trade are as follows. First, the indicator marks a trend change from bearish to bullish. Most traders would open a long position here, which is a huge mistake. You need to be smarter. That's why following the second rule is crucial, which is to wait for the price to start moving in the direction of the signal. The percentage change of the first interval must be between 5 and 10%. This is a sweet spot indicating that buyers have stepped in and the trend has room left to develop. If the conditions are in place, open a long trade and set the stop loss at the bottom of the channel. Target at least 1.5 times the risk. The opposite conditions apply for short trades. By the way, you can only enter a trade at the first interval. Do not re-enter the market, even if the percentage at the second or third interval is between 5 and 10%. Rather, wait for the trend to reset and open the position only if all the rules are met. If this indicator blew your mind even half as much as it did mine, do me a solid. Smash that like button, and if you haven't already, subscribe to our channel. Alright, let's uncover the next tool you can't afford to miss in 2025. This indicator is called the TradeIQ Master Kit. Imagine having an indicator where every tool clicks together perfectly, painting a crystal clear picture of what the market's really doing. No more guesswork, no more squinting at charts. Just clean, actionable insights to help you make smart, confident trades. At its heart, this indicator dishes out dynamic trend signals that shift with the market's mood. Picture little arrows popping up on your chart, nudging you when it's time to jump in or bail out. And the coolest part, you can tweak how sensitive these signals are. It bends to your style, not the other way around. But wait, there's more. Ever wish you could see where the market's floor and ceiling are? The TradeIQ Master Kit maps out key support and resistance zones in bold, color-coded visuals. Think of them like traffic lights. Blue zones scream, "Hey, buyers are lurking here," while red zones whisper, "Sellers might crash the party soon." And that's just the start. This thing's packed with hidden gems. Let's roll up our sleeves and put it to work. Crack open the indicator settings and flip on the following power features. Trendy candle beacons. They'll light up key turning points. TIQ tracer on the 1-hour chart. This is your trend compass. Lastly, turn on the volume profile to see where the big money is parked and the trend lines. Here's the playbook. The very first green flag is the price position above that glowing orange TIQ tracer line. This means buyers are still in control. Next, take a look at the volume profile. If you spot a cluster of buy orders stacking up below price, the trend's going strong. When the indicator flashes a buy signal, dive in. Let the trend run its course until the system hands you an exit sign. Want to play it safe? Skim profits along the way and nudge your stop loss to break even. Lock in gains while cutting risk. And when that TTP signal pops up, cash out and celebrate. Rinse and repeat. If you're itching to get your hands on the TradeIQ Master Kit, I'll drop a link below so you can grab it yourself. Next up on my list is an indicator called High Volume Points Big Beluga. The moment you add this tool to your chart, you'll notice something unique. Large, dynamically sized concentric circles marking pivot highs and lows. But these aren't just random points. They represent areas of exceptionally high trading volume. The bigger the circle, the more significant the market activity at that level. Each circle also displays the exact volume, making it easy to see where the heavy hitters are entering the market. But it doesn't stop there. As the price moves, the indicator draws horizontal support and resistance lines from these high-volume pivots. These lines become critical levels where price often reacts, either bouncing off or breaking through. One of the most powerful features is how it handles liquidity grabs. When price crosses one of these high-volume levels and snatches liquidity, the line automatically changes to a dashed format, giving you a clear signal that institutional players might have just made their move. This feature helps you stay ahead by identifying areas where the market might reverse or continue its trend, depending on who's in control. Not every volume spike is worth your attention, and the indicator lets you filter volume points based on significance. With a customizable threshold from 0 to 6, you can focus on only the most impactful liquidity zones, removing noise and keeping your chart clean. Here's a powerful strategy using the high volume points indicator. When price approaches a high volume buying point marked on the chart, wait for a retracement back to that level. If the price retests this high volume zone and forms a bullish candlestick pattern, like a hammer or engulfing candle, it's your cue to buy. The logic? This level attracted heavy buying interest before, and if it holds, it means buyers are stepping in again to defend their territory. Place a buy order as the price retests and confirms the high volume level. Use the next high volume pivot above as your target, locking in gains where sellers previously dominated. Simple, yet highly effective. The fourth indicator on my list can actually predict price reversals with 99% probability. Meet the Trend Reversal Probability Indicator by Algo Alpha. Think of it as your market's sixth sense, a tool that doesn't just guess when trends might flip, but calculates the odds with precision. No flashy gimmicks, just smart analytics that help you spot reversals before the crowd catches on. At its heart is a custom-built oscillator that blends short and long moving averages of the midpoint price. Picture it as a fitness tracker for the market, monitoring its pulse, stamina, and when it's about to hit a wall. Instead of raw numbers, it transforms this data into an intuitive gauge, similar to RSI, that shows trend strength and potential turning points. Here's where it gets exciting. The tool tracks how long trends typically last and plots their expiration dates using statistical bands. Red and green bars grow taller as the trend ages, with colours intensifying to signal reversal likelihood. Deep red bars, the market might be due for a bullish bounce. Vibrant green, a downturn could be around the corner. It's like watching a progress bar. The closer it gets to 100%, the higher the chance of a U-turn. Now let me show you my secret strategy that wins almost every single time. Listen carefully and follow every single step, otherwise it won't work. First, open the indicators and search for smart money, concepts probability, and add this tool to the chart. Keep the settings as default. For a buy trade, there must be 3 conditions to be fulfilled. First, the trend reversal probability percentage needs to be higher than 90%. Second, the price needs to be positioned between the grey and the green zones. Finally, the probability of the price reaching the red zone needs to be higher than 60%. Open a buy trade as soon as all 3 conditions are present. Place the stop loss below the green zone and target the red area. Repeat the process and enjoy your profits. Finally, let's uncover the 5th indicator, the rehearsal V1. At its core, this professional indicator excels at detecting zones where momentum is building up for potential reversals. It uses RSI ranges to highlight moments of market overextension, such as shooting or falling ranges. This ensures that you are always aware of when the market is most likely to shift direction, giving you an edge in timing entries and exits. The combination of RSI thresholds with candlestick patterns such as engulfing, tweezers, hammers, and piercing patterns adds a layer of confirmation to the analysis. You can even customize the strength of these signals, choosing whether you want to filter out weaker patterns or focus solely on the strongest ones. One of the standout features of this indicator is its incorporation of fair value gaps. These gaps represent price inefficiencies that the market is likely to revisit before continuing its trend. The indicator empowers you to tailor its signals to your preferred trading style. Whether you're looking for long, short, or both types of setups, the indicator adapts to your needs. Additionally, you can fine-tune the signal strength for candlestick patterns, ensuring your chart remains uncluttered while highlighting only the most relevant opportunities. The indicator shines brightest in lower timeframes such as 1 to 15-minute charts, making it an excellent choice for scalpers and day traders. It continuously monitors market conditions and alerts you to prime trading opportunities, even during fast-paced sessions. It even provides backtesting results so you can examine the strategy's profitability over time. Overall, an excellent tool to test out. Give it a try and let us know your thoughts in the comments.